guys, Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play 80s by Landon Cube and 24kGoldn. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll uppercut your jawbone off of your face. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Our first chord is going to be this version of an A. You're going to play the A string open, and then you're going to put your index finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and you're going to use your ring finger to bar the 9th fret on the B and the G string. You could use your ring and your pinky if you wanted to, but you're gonna be using this for a chord here in a second as well, so it's an easier transition to just use your ring finger to bar the 9th fret on G and B. Then we're gonna go to an E bar chord. So this is where you're gonna move your index finger down to 7th fret on the A, and then that ring finger is gonna move down to bar D, G, and B all on 9. So it was just G and B, now it's D, G, and B. And you can let that low E ring open as well. Next up, we need a B major bar chord. You're gonna bar the entire 7th fret with your index finger, and then you're gonna put your ring finger on the 9th fret of the A string, pinky finger on the 9th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 8th fret of the G string. And then finally a C sharp minor 7, bar the entire 9th fret with your index finger, and then put your ring finger on the 11th fret of the A string. Once you get your chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, down. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.